Hello friends. Today we're going to talk about a power that can completely change your life. Have you ever thought that just by using 2 words, you can attract a lot of money into your life? It may sound strange to you, but is it really possible? In this video, we'll explain how you can achieve this financial goal by using words like I create. Watch the entire video because at the end, I'll share secrets that are rarely revealed on TV. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. First, let's talk about the power of intention. Every big achievement starts with a clear and focused intention. If you want to attract $1 million into your life, you need to clarify your intentions. Write down, I attract $1 million into my life. This clarity will guide you, but intention alone isn't enough. You also need strong belief. Neville Goddard said that belief is the foundation of creation. You must truly believe that not only is it possible for $1 million to come into your life, but that it is certain. This belief energizes your actions and aligns your subconscious mind with your financial goal. As Buddha said, we become what we think. So, when you hold an intention in your mind, it directs your life accordingly. Buddha teaches us that through mindfulness and meditation, we can make our intentions clear and powerful. Once your mind is clear, it becomes like a mirror that attracts wealth and prosperity into your life. When you say, I create $1 million, say it with full belief. This is not just a word, but an instruction to your subconscious mind to lead you to where your dream can come true. Now, let's talk about those 2 words, I create. These aren't just words. They are a declaration that shapes your reality. According to Neville Goddard, the words we speak influence our reality because they impact our subconscious mind. When you say, I create wealth or I attract $1 million, you're not just saying it. You're instructing your subconscious mind to align with this reality. The more firmly you say, I create, the more you believe in your ability to shape your financial destiny. But there's more to it. Imagination is key. Neville Goddard said that imagination creates reality. This means that whatever you want to create must first be formed in your imagination. Imagination is your workshop, your laboratory, where you create your life. To attract $1 million, first see it in your imagination. Close your eyes and visualize $1 million entering your bank account. Imagine the lifestyle this wealth gives you: freedom, security, and happiness. The more vivid your imagination, the more it becomes a reality for your subconscious mind. When you imagine this, also say, I create $1 million, and feel the emotions of already having this wealth. You may have noticed that when you have some money, you feel very positive and good. You feel as if everything is working out. That's the feeling you need to have, and this strong imagination and emotions send a powerful signal to the universe that you are ready to receive it. Neville Goddard also introduced a very important rule for our lives, called the law of assumption. This rule states that whatever you believe to be true in your imagination will manifest in your external reality. In other words, if you believe that you already have $1 million, your outer world will start reflecting this belief. To practice this, start living as if you already have $1 million. This doesn't mean you should spend recklessly, but rather that you should consider yourself financially prosperous already. When you say, I create $1 million, say it with the belief that it has already happened. This changes your energy and aligns you with the frequency of wealth. However, mindset and belief are important, but taking action is equally necessary. Neville Goddard talks about taking inspired action that aligns with your desires. This action plays a crucial role in the attraction process. To attract $1 million, You need to be open to all opportunities and take steps that bring you closer to your goal. Let's break down the steps to attract money using the law of attraction correctly. The first step is daily affirmation. Start each day by saying, "I create $1 million. Say it with conviction and believe in it. This sets a positive tone for your day and keeps your focus on your financial goal. The second step is affirmation journal. Write down your affirmation every day. Writing it down strengthens the message in your subconscious mind and allows you to track your progress. The third step is visualization sessions. Take time each day to imagine that you already have $1 million. Combine this with your affirmations to create a powerful attraction routine. Visualize whenever you get a chance, and make sure to visualize in detail so you can give clear instructions to your subconscious mind. The fourth step is to look for opportunities. Stay alert for opportunities that align with your goal, whether it's a new business, an investment opportunity, or a career change. Trust your intuition and take inspired action. The fifth step is network and learning. Surround yourself with people who have achieved financial success. Learn from them, take advice, and stay in an environment that encourages wealth creation. As you work towards attracting $1 million, it's normal to face doubts and challenges. Neville Goddard tells us that these doubtful moments will come during your manifestation journey, but it's important to remain steadfast in your belief. Even if your current reality doesn't reflect your desire, maintain the feeling that you are already wealthy. If doubts arise, gently set them aside and return to your affirmations and imagination. Remind yourself that you are the creator of your reality. The key is to be patient and stay strong in your belief. Remember, $1 million may not come all at once and may arrive in unexpected ways. Trust the process and stay focused. Let's look at some important stories to understand how people have changed their lives. One person who was deeply in debt used the affirmation, "I create financial freedom." He imagined himself being debt-free and enjoying financial security. Over time, he attracted new opportunities that helped him pay off his debt and earn money. Similarly, a businessman used Neville Goddard's teachings to rebuild his business. He affirmed, "I create a thriving business," and visualized success. As a result, he attracted new clients and partnerships that took his business to new heights. Likewise, a woman who grew up in poverty started affirming, "I create prosperity." She imagined herself living a prosperous life and took inspired action towards her goals. Today, she is financially independent and credits her success to affirmations and the practice of imagination. These stories prove that with belief, patience, and the right mindset, you can attract financial success into your life. Believing in the process of attraction is crucial. Neville Goddard always emphasized believing in the unseen and trusting that your desires are coming to you, even if you don't see results yet. Trust that the universe is always working for you. Along with belief, gratitude plays an important role. Gratitude raises your energy and aligns you with the energy of prosperity. Regularly express gratitude for the wealth you already have. Say thank you for the $1 million that is on its way to you. This not only keeps your mind positive, but also speeds up the attraction process. In conclusion, remember that you are the creator of your reality. The words you speak, the thoughts you think, and the actions you take all play a vital role in shaping your life. So use Neville Goddard's technique in your life. Bring the words, "I create," into your affirmations, and you can become the creator of your financial destiny. Start today with your daily affirmations, imagination, and inspired actions. Trust the process, stay firm in your belief, and watch how the universe aligns to bring $1 million your way. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's create a prosperous and abundant life together. And remember, the power to create wealth is within you. Use it wisely and watch your financial dreams come true.